Put a spring into your insulator. It is well insulated. Just give it a little bit of a bend. Hold your wire together. There's your ferrule. Put your ferrule back in there. Nice thing with it on the fence is you can actually pull it quite tight. Bend it over and give it a little tail. Then you've got your spring. Put it pretty close to the straining insulator. Like that. Now you can pull on your spring. When you pull your spring, pull it about that much. Hold the spring like that. Put the ferrule on first. And then you take your spring, run it through your spring. Hold that and pull your spring just a little bit, not too much. There's a tremendous amount of tension on the spring. I'm going to make it a little bit tighter because I can. There you go. Your wire back into your ferrule. Pull it back, fold it back. And that is how you put your spring. And I'm going to cut this tail off. These little tails can cause quite a few problems for you. So keep them short, keep it neat. There you go.